Creating videos for YouTube, social media, or your business can feel difficult and time consuming, especially if you don't have expensive software or editing skills. That's why our Pictory AI comes in. Pictory AI is an online tool that helps you create professional looking videos quickly using text, scripts, or even blog content. In this video, I will show you how to use Pictory AI to make videos fast, step by step, in a beginner friendly way. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to create videos, grow online, and save time. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to get the special offers or free trial for Pictory AI and other tools that make video creation easier. By using the description links, any discounts or bonuses they will be applied automatically, so you can start creating videos right away. Now let's start with creating account on Pictory AI. Just use the link from description. You will be on the Pictory AI's official website and click on this get start for free. Write your first name, last name, then write email and password. And if you want to use direct Google, just click on this continue with Google. That is easier to create account. And you will be redirected on Pictory AI's official dashboard. Once you are logged in, you will see the dashboard with option like script to video, article, then the AI video editor, URL to video, record, summarize, audio to video, image to video, and many more. For beginners, the text to video, this one is the easiest way to start. So just click on this and you can either paste your text or write your script directly in Pictory. The tool will automatically break your script into scenes, choosing visual and suggest the stock footages or images that match your content. So this is our script. Now if I can ask AI to improve the clarity and flow or make it more engaging. So I will create clarity and flow. It will change my script. Now in the right side, you can change the ratio for the social media or the 1:1 ratio or the YouTube's traditional 16 or 9 ratio. Now for the brand, you can set the font, logo, and for the brand, you can set the logo, font. To do that, just click on this create a brand and you will be redirected on brand creation page. Here you can create your brand, you can upload your logo, you can set the font, but I will not going to do that. Now you can see there is another option, scene setting. You can control all of this thing for getting the better output here. Now with this vertical option, I will click on this generate video and it will ask me to choose a template and I will select any of them. And here we are. You can change the text, or if you want to fix anything, you can do all of these things here. It includes text, animation, transitions, and colors. So your video look professional without complicated editing. Even if you want, then you can change the images, you can change the videos or clips, and you can add your own photos or adjust the text if needed. You can also add any background music from the Pictory library. If I click on this, and you can add the AI voices, or even you can add music from its library. Music and sound effects help make your video more engaging. So another important thing is the AI voiceover. Pictory AI can convert your text into natural sounding speech in different languages or voices. This means you don't need to record your own voices if you are not comfortable to speaking. You can also edit the caption to correct any mistake or change the placement. Go to story. Here you can change text and it will change the subtitle also. Finally, just click on export or download here to download the video. Pictory AI will process the video and give you a downloadable file. You can then upload it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any platform you want. The whole process is fast, beginner friendly, and doesn't require complicated software or technical skills. In short, Pictory AI is a powerful tool who want to create videos quickly and professionally. And that's not only the thing. You can see there are a lot of options. You can make videos from your PowerPoint presentation. You can make videos from any URL. You can make videos from your images. It has the audio to video, summarizing, and all of the thing. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand how to use Pictory AI to create videos fast and easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel for more tutorials and tools to grow your online presence. And don't forget to use the link from description to get special offers or free trial. Any discounts or bonuses, they will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video where we will explore more beginner friendly tools to save your time and make online content.